हेलो बच्चों, I am Ranjit Pandey and student this is our third lecture of linear equation in two variables. Okay, in second lecture what is simultaneous equation that I have discussed was the second lecture and then was the third lecture. Okay student, now this is our first chapter, Maharashtra Board Maths 1 on linear equation in two variables. And on page number 5 there is question number 2, solve the following simultaneous equation. Student, what is the meaning of simultaneous equation? When you will consider two equations, two linear equations in two variables together, then you will say that the given equation is what? Simultaneous equation. Means at the same time you are going to consider two linear equation, two variables. Okay students, so this is called as simultaneous equation. Now you have to solve this simultaneous equation. So there are two methods which you have already studied in standard 9. Which one? One is elimination method and second one is what? Substitution method. So student, we are going to solve this by elimination method. So you will remember two things student. First, you have to remember two things. Okay, remember what? First you decide which variable you want to eliminate. Okay, clear student? What you will remember? First decide which variable you want to eliminate, means x or m, x or y. Okay, second thing, for example, if you want to eliminate y variable, so make their coefficient equal. Make the coefficient equal. What you will do? If you want to eliminate y variable, so make their coefficient equal in the both the equation. For example, this is the equation number 2. Here x and y is there. So this is x and y and x and y. If you want to eliminate variable y, so make their coefficient equal. Means here is 2 and here is 7. So make their coefficient same. And then third step, check the sign of the variable. What you will check? You will check the sign of the variable. Means I am talking about for variable y. What is the sign of variable y? So you will see in equation 2, the here is the what? Plus sign is there. This variable y is having plus sign and this variable y having minus sign. Means opposite sign is there. So what will happen? We will check the sign of the variable you want to eliminate. If they are opposite sign, if they are having opposite sign, then you will add the equation. Add the equation. And fifth one, if you are getting same sign of the variables, so you will subtract the equation. You will subtract the equation. Clear students? So remember these things, these 5 points. This is very important point. Okay, first point, first you will decide which variable you want to eliminate in your question, either x or y, m or n. If you want to eliminate y, so what you will check? You will check or you will make the coefficient of y equal, which will make the coefficient of y in both the equation equal by multiplying some numbers. Second, third one, check the sign of the variable. If the coefficient becomes equal, so you check the sign of the variable, whether they are having same sign or opposite sign. For example, if you will get opposite sign, so you will add the equation, and if you will get same sign, then you are going to subtract the equation. Clear, students? So this is a very important concept. If you want to take the screenshot, then I will start the solving first equation. Okay, fine. Now we will see the first equation, simultaneous equation. Start the first one, and this first one is what, student? First equation is 3a plus 5b. 3a plus 5b. This is equal to 26. And that is second one is what? A plus 5b. This is equal to 22. Now, student, when we start the solution, so write 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. This is equation number 1, and a plus 5b is equal to 22. This is equation number 2. Now, student, when you will observe equation 1 and equation 2, here in equation 1 and 2, two variables are there, a and b. Now you can see that the variable b is having same coefficient, that is 5, and same sign, that is plus and plus. So student, when you are having, if you want to eliminate variable b, so its coefficient is now same and sign is also same. So when sign is same, so what you will do? You will subtract. So already this is mentioned in the concept. Okay. So you are going to subtract. So you write subtracting equation 1 and equation 2 we get. Okay. You are going to subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So I will write again. Equation 1, that is 3a plus 5b, this is equal to 26, and second equation, that is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now students, when you will subtract equation 1 and 2, now sign of this equation will change. So this is the plus, this becomes minus, and this is also becomes minus. So what will happen? Now student, 3a minus 1a, you will get 2a. This is equal to, because this plus 5b minus 5b will cancel out when you will subtract this equation 1 and 2, and 26 minus 22. So you will get 26 minus 22 is 4. So 2a is equal to 4. So what will be a, student? A will be 4 upon 2, and therefore a is equal to what? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means a is 2 now. Once you will get the value of a, you will put either in equation 1 or 2, so you will get the value of b. Now we will put a is equal to 2 in equation 1. We are going to put a is equal to 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Equation 1 is what? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Now you will put the value of a is 2. What is a? A is 2. So this is what? 3 multiplied by 2. A is 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. Therefore, 5b is equal to 26. Transfer this 6 to right hand side. This becomes minus 6. Therefore 5b is equal to what? 20. 26 minus 6 is 20, and therefore b is equal to what? 20 upon 5, and therefore you will write b is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So value of b is 4. Okay, student. So what is b? B is 4. Now a is 2 and b is 4, and then finally you will write the answer. So write the answer. So write the answer. What? Solution is what? Solution is a comma b. Solution a comma b is what, student? What is a? A is 2 and b is 4. So always you will write the answer. What is a? A is 2, and what is b? B is 4. Clear, friends? So if you want to take the screenshot, so you may take the screenshot. So we will see the second equation. Okay, fine. Now we will deal the second equation. And second equation is, second one is what? X plus 7y is equal to 10, and second equation, that is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. So this is our second equation. X plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. So we'll start the solution. First we'll write x plus 7y is equal to 10. This will be equation number 1. And 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. This will be equation number 2. Now first step, which variable you want to eliminate? So if you want to eliminate variable y from equation 1 and 2, so you have to make their coefficient equal. So how will you make their coefficient equal, student? Now just you will multiply 7 by 2 and 2 by 7. Means multiply equation 1 by 2 and multiply equation 2 by 7. So their coefficient becomes equal. Like 2 7s are 14. So this will be 14y. And when we multiply equation 2, so again with 7, 2s are 14. So this will be minus 14y. So let us multiply. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 7. We get. Okay. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 7. So what you will get? You will get 2x plus 14y is equal to 20. So this will be equation number 3. And we'll multiply equation 2 by 7. So 7 3s are 21x minus 14y is equal to 7 7s are 49. This will be equation number 4. Okay, so we want to eliminate variable y. Now student, this variable y, now coefficient becomes equal. Coefficient is now equal. You will check the sign, whether sign is same or different. So here sign is different. So when sign is different, so you are going to add. Clear? So I will write adding equation 3 and equation 4 we get. So what you will get after adding equation 3 and 4? So what will happen, student? This plus 14y minus 14y will cancel out. 21x plus 2x, 23x, and this is equal to 49 plus 20, this will be 69. So when you will add equation 3 and 4, this plus 14y minus 14y will cancel out. You will get 21x plus 2x, 23x. This will be what? 69. So what will be x? 69 upon 23. And therefore, x is equal to, this will be 23 ones are and 23 threes are 69. So what is the value of x? 3 upon 1. So answer is 3. So you will get x is equal to 3. Now you will put the value of x either in equation 1, 2, 3 or 4 to get the value of y. So I will put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is x plus 7y is equal to 10. X plus 7y is equal to 10. What is x? X is 3. So 3 plus 7y, this is equal to 10. Now transfer this 3 to right hand side. So you will get 7y is equal to 10. This plus 3 becomes minus 3. And therefore 7y is equal to what? 7. And therefore y is equal to 7 divided by 7. So what you will get, student? Therefore you will get y is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. That is 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 is 1. So y is 1. Clear? So this is the value of x and value of y, and finally you write the answer. To write the answer what? Solution is what? What is x comma y? This is equal to what, student? That is x is 3 and y is 1. Okay, students, so this is the answer. If you want to take screenshot, so you may take the screenshot. So we will discuss the third equation. First is over, second is over, and third then we will solve. Okay. Now we will see the third equation. Third question of question number 2. So third is what? Third question is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. And second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 30. Okay. Again we will start the solution. First we will write 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. This will be equation number 1. And 2x plus y is equal to 13. This will be equation number 2. Now student, sorry, here coefficient of y is 3, that is minus 3. Here coefficient of y is plus 1. So if you make the coefficient equal, so you have to multiply equation 2 by 3. Okay, so you will get 3y. So if you want to cancel y variable, so you have to multiply equation 2 by 3. So you will get 3y. Okay, student. So I will write again, multiply equation 2 by 3 we get. So multiply equation 2 by 3, so you get 6x plus 3y is equal to 13 3 is 39. This will be equation number 3 now. Now see equation 1 and 3. In equation 1 and 3 you will see, student, 1 and 3. This is equation 1, this is equation 3. Now the coefficient of y variable is same, 3 3. Now we will check the sign. So sign is here minus and here is plus. So what you will do? You will add. So I will write what? Adding equation. Which equation? 1 and 3. Equation 1 and equation 3 we get. So when you will add equation 1 and equation 3, what will cancel out? This plus 3y minus 3y will cancel out. So 6x plus 2x is what? 8x. And this is equal to what? 39 plus 9. So 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1 and 3 carry 1, that is 4. 48. And 8x is equal to 48. Therefore, what will be x? 48 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48. Therefore, you will get x is equal to 6. Once you will get the value of x is 6, you will put the value of x either in equation 1, 2 or 3 to get the value of y. Now we will put x is equal to 6 in equation 1. We get what equation 1? Equation 1 is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. What is x, student? X is 6. So now 2, what is x? 6 minus 3y, this is equal to 9. So 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 3y is equal to 9. Now we will transfer, therefore minus 3y is equal to 9. This plus 12 becomes minus 12. Means when you will transfer this plus 12 to right hand side, you will get minus 12. So therefore minus 3y is equal to, what will be 9 minus 12? Minus 3. So therefore y is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. So when you will divide same number by same number, so your answer is 1. So y is equal to 1. So here x is 6 and y is 1, and then finally we write the answer. Finally we write the answer. Solution is what? X comma y is equal to what? What is x? X is 6 and y is 1. Okay, student. So this is the solution of our linear equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now student, this first, second, third is completed. That is fourth question and fifth that you will try for your own. Okay, and if you will get the answer of this equation, so post the answer in the comment box. Okay, students. Otherwise, we will deal the next question, that is 4 and 5 in the next lecture. Okay, students. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.